Now, should be live. Hopefully it's working. I'm doing it, but I have a couple of questions before we get started. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Can you feel me? Can you touch me? No. Some of those you can do. I switched something up. I've been doing weekly live streams for BPS patrons, and please do not say why, anyone, but I have been switching my audio setup up. So I have something called Soundflower on my computer. It is super, super cool. What it allows you to do is basically you can pipe different audio sources through your computer. I mean, just like digitally, obviously, you're not piping them through. But what I have is KSP's actual audio is coming into the OBS now, so I can like just have it be KSP audio. Or I can bring my voice back in and like start talking over it. So let me know how you, what am I trying to say? Let me know how it sounds, if it sounds better or worse, if you can hear phase issues between this mic on the air can and the actual stream. I bet you can if I get close to it. Maybe. Okay, stop putting E's in the chat or you're gonna get banned. If you, BLM, whatever, BLFM, if you keep putting E's in the chat, you will be banned from the channel. I try to not moderate this chat, but if you're just gonna spam it, then it's not gonna work well. Okay, see how close to the sun you can get without burning out and why weekly patron streams. Ian, I can't share why. I can share that I'm doing them. Thank you, Eric. I can't share why I'm doing weekly patron streams, but I am doing them, and there is someone else that is also doing them. Z Chris, I don't know what I'm building yet. Let's look what I have saved so far. I don't think we're gonna do multiplayer. I have one. Okay, I have one called I'm Joey Bizzle and one called Default. They both have 3 flights in progress. Which one do we pick? I'm Joey Bizzle or Default? There's streams of carbonating milk. Nathan's right. Joey Bizzle, got 1 vote. All right, well, let's do that and let's see what we're doing. And I think maybe we'll base what we do off of what we have going on here. Let me move this a little bit. Okay, this does not work well. How about that? That's all right. It's not perfect. I don't care. Okay. Oh, it's gonna bother me. It's like so close to being... I could do a window capture, but I like the idea that I can see the mouse in there too, so I'm not gonna do... I like display capture better. Okay, write an entire mission in KOS. I don't know how to do KOS. It would be fun to learn. I should... who do we have here? We've got Davin, STE Man, Square, SQ1 and Up, Vostok, Ian Ross, Tyga T, Colin, Austin, Eric Christensen, Eric Spittle, hi Eric, King Crump, Falcon 13, Josh Sat is here, Hire is here, hi guys, Will, Guerrero, Sleeve Dog, thanks for becoming a patron. I got the email from it. Thank you so much. Casey, let's see, Colin, Jay Hines, Consuming Internal Organs just says hello. That's a little concerning. David C, Rue, Guigo, Aether, Chris. There's so many people. Parker's here. Michael, Mikal. It's spelled with a K. I never know how to pronounce it. Austin. Lucas. All right, well, send the dog to the moon. All right, well, let's first Sure, permit. Let's look at our tracking station and let's see what we have going on. Also, I missed it earlier. Is the sound cool for everyone? Is it like a good mix of KSP volume and voice volume, or should I switch it up? We've got a ship on Eve, apparently. Did we land? Wow, I think we might have landed. Let's look. Eric says, is my shirt here yet? Eric, so I have bad news. So these took a month to get to me. These are the samples, and it took a month to get to me. I mean, look, I can't fault anyone for doing literally anything at this time because of COVID-19. Okay, hold on. There's a bug in my kitchen. I thought it was just a piece of dirt, but it's moving. I really hope it's not a cockroach. I've been fighting off cockroaches. Okay, hold on. I have to take care of this bug. You do not pay rent. You do not get to live here. That's how this works. You jerk. Why are you white? Oh. I'm not racist, but why was he white? Cockroaches shouldn't be white. That's not a good thing to say. Look, I don't know why he had like white stuff on his back. Maybe maybe I should have let him go. There's this powder that we put down. That there's Jeb and Bill here. This might be the OG KSP stream where I stranded Bill and Jeb. I gotta say, I don't feel super great about that. So let's look at our tracking station. Thanks, Niccolo. I don't feel qualified to be that, but thank you. Make more merch so this can be like AliExpress. So that I order stuff, forget about it, and then sometime later I get it. I like that idea, Eric. I do that with Amazon. I would like to do that with, well, no, I wouldn't like to do that with McMaster. McMaster is the exact opposite. You order it and it's like delivered in an hour. Here's a reuse booster. I think I tried this last time. I think Xander helped me with this. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, well, let's revert this to VAB because something obviously... Well, I guess I can't. I must have put a capsule in orbit and then deorbited it. Who's here? Valentina? Let's recover this. She feels like she's probably been out in the ocean for long enough, given that I stranded her there for at least a month. Oh, I switched to teas, by the way. Hold on, I crumpled up the thing. This one's vanilla chai now. It is Puka. Can't really read it. See if I can focus. Puka. Puka tea. Now I have to refocus. Hold on. Oh boy. Now I really did it. That's about where my face is. Okay. Austin would like you to say, I would like you to say hi to his friend Val. Hi, Val. Thanks, Eric, for the super chat. Eric, I feel bad. I feel like I bankrupt you on the regular. Thank you for the super chats, though. Please go to Starship SN4 stream. We're 4 minutes away from the static fire. Oh, you know what? That might be worth it. Is it actually going to static fire? Can I get a vote in the chat? Do we watch the Starship? I've never done like a restream of anyone else's, so I'm just gonna pull it up on YouTube. Is that... Oh, okay, Tim has a stream? Tim is enough of my friend where I feel like he'll let it slide if I just restream his thing. Wait, if I restream his thing, it's gonna have commentary over it, right? Tim Dodd. The everyday astronaut. Think it'll work if I just do Tim Dodd? Oh, I should have... Okay, hold on. Is he live now? This was 15 hours ago. Where is it? Okay, Starship. Starship Explosion, Starship Pop, Starship SM2. These are the things I have searched. This is a dangerous game to show my YouTube search history, man. It's 15 hours ago. What happened? 1 hour ago. Pre-burner test. Starship Live. Wait. What's happening? It's not live. They're not actually doing it, right? Okay, did I just get goofed? Did someone, like, goof me here? My checking account is glad Joe hasn't streamed for a while. Anyway, yes. Hi, Val. It's not... Link is there. Okay, thanks, Parker. Open in a new tab. Oh my god, I just opened it like 6 times. My computer is not enjoying... Oops, something went wrong. Oh, it's not live. They're live? They just did it. It was last night. Yes. Oh, it was yesterday. Come on. It was last night. Who said it was now? Someone said it was now. I know they did a pre-burner test last night. All right, this is crazy. Should we build something new? Should we just go to the moon? Should we... Okay, Lab Padre. Lab Padre. 2.8K. Oh, wow, all right. Maybe they're doing stuff. Did the sirens go off? Oh, wait, I think it happened. Oh, no. Oh, no, it definitely happened, and I definitely missed it. Ah, nuts. Okay, hold on. Let's go back and look. So they did this for a while. I'm just gonna skip forward until I can get to the actual firing. I missed it, didn't I? It's rewind time. SDE man has the memes. Okay. I can't tell. How long ago did it happen? It looked like it wasn't. Does this look like pre or post? A few minutes ago. That's a big flare. One minute ago. Okay, like very recently then. So I'm definitely within the right time. And my computer is not enjoying this. Should I just watch it? Should I keep skipping forward? Oh! There it is. That's gotta be it, right? Woo! Okay. That's pretty cool. So the craziest thing about the Starship is that, or at least the one that they have right now, it was sorry, Parker said 'twas a success. The craziest thing is that it has asymmetric thrust, right? If you look in the photo that your boy Elon Musk tweeted, the Raptor is offset. So this is like asymmetric thrust is pretty much a fine. Like, everyone gangsta until you have asymmetric thrust and you're trying to land propulsively. Because they're gonna, when they come down, if they want 0 velocity and 0 position, I guess they could use some of the G-fold stuff on it, but like I doubt it. When they come down, they're gonna have to be at an angle and then they're going to have to rely on the legs to help even out that angle. I don't know, man. I guess if it's heavy enough and they have a low enough TWR, you could come down. I mean, I trust. Okay, so I super trust the SpaceX GNC team. Like, they're not. They know a lot of what they know what they're doing. When they come down, you could intentionally have a little bit of horizontal movement, so then when you get upright, you null out the movement, and you try to get the cross section of 0 position, 0 velocity. Oof, that's a hard problem, man. That's a hard problem. I don't know if they're just going to say, screw it, we'll land with a little velocity. They probably won't because of how tall it is. All right, this is no longer a KSP stream. Should we try it? You want to try it? Let's try it. Let's try doing asymmetric thrust. And let's see if we can try it in KSP. This is great. This is really good. I'm gonna build a big old booster, and we're gonna build. Oh boy. Here we go. Here's our starship. How many legs does it have? 6? Nicolo says, Joe Barnard, I am building a TVC rocket. I found a Kalman filter library for the MPU 6050. Will that work in a rocket? Do you know? Thanks. Hi, Nicolo. So, Kalman filters are... Sorry, I ate so many beans and rice earlier. Kalman filters are really powerful tools. They're super good. I can't tell you if the one that you found will work, like, just by knowing that it's a Kalman filter and knowing that it's an MPU 6050. What I do know is that a lot of the filters that you find online, at least the existing ones, a lot of them are going to be assuming that gravity can be measured with the accelerometers. So, okay, hold on, I gotta turn this down. A lot of them assume that gravity can be measured with the accelerometers. How do I... How do I adjust this? Display audio? Oh, geez, okay. Can I control the ins and outs? All right, well, whatever. So, oh, I'm sorry, okay, I messed, I'm sorry, I messed with the audio. Oh, now it's really loud. Oh no, okay. This is a nightmare. Oh my gosh, Nicolo, I'm sorry. I'm trying to answer your question. I'm getting super distracted. The answer to your question is I don't know if it will work off the bat. I would try it. I would see how it feels. If you, a lot of phones will have, like a degree measurer. What is that called? It's like a protractor, but live. If I put on my iPhone, it's called the Measure app, but you can do this. Will it adjust the exposure? Yeah, I can do this, and then as I tilt it, it'll give me the degrees by looking at the accelerometer, which is super cool. Love that. Love that journey for anyone. And a way to see if they used the accelerometer measurements. They almost certainly did. What you're looking for is probably they're going to do like atan2. They're going to do an arc tangent function, and if you do atan2, you get a vector of the atan2 on the accelerometer measurements. You get a vector of where the gravity where gravity is pointed, and they use that to correct the drift and the gyros. Sometimes these filters will have the ability to tune, so if you dial that back a little bit, that might help. Yeah. How do I turn down my volume? Okay, well, whatever. Here's the deal. Oh, I guess I could turn it down in KSP. How's the volume with my voice? Is it still okay? Okay, I think we're gonna use, what's the, like, the vector? Oh yeah, this is exactly what I want. Okay. So, this would be center, but we'll do like here. Let's see how bad that is. Volume is good, it's good. Okay, great. Will this lift? Ooh, yeah. See, that's off center, right? So we're off to a good start. Now we need some legs. Ground, and we want these ones. Ooh, and it has 6 legs. I asked earlier, but then I didn't look at the chat for answer. But the answer is that it's 6 legs, right? Like 90% sure. And we'll start with them down. Oh, no control unit. Oops. That is my bad. We need a... Wow, can I really... Okay, KSP update. I can start with the tank and then add control. That's kind of cool. 6 legs. Oh, add RCS. Shoot. Oh, sorry, I already hit launch. Okay. Stuart Schoenemann. Schoenemann? Sorry, Stuart, I don't mean to mispronounce your name. What degree do you prefer for the best chance to get into rocketry, to get a job at SpaceX, or it looks like NASA, maybe NAS? But I don't think you're trying to get into NAS. I think you're probably, besides a music degree. So there are a lot of degrees that you can get. And I would think, okay, you want to play to your strengths, right? So if there's something that you're already good at, like electrical engineering or mechanical, and really not necessarily what you're good at, but also what you like doing. Have you done any projects where you've done CAD and you really like doing that? So maybe mechanical design. Have you done any projects where you got to write a script in Python, or you got to do some HTML and you really like that? You could do software design, or computer science is a great degree. Computer science is really where you want to go if you want to do software. In my, like, I got a music degree opinion. So take all of this with a grain of salt. But there is no one degree. It's mostly based on, like, what do you like doing that is also aerospace? Because there's a lot to do in aerospace. So I would narrow it down a little bit. How many hours have you played in this game? Not that many. Surprisingly few. Okay, should we try it? I didn't look at my I didn't look at the TWR. I didn't look at anything. Let's just do a launch. Ooh, wow. That's cool. That's a new view. All right. Speaking of NASs, you need to get one soon. Nathan, you are correct. My Raptor is not powerful enough. Oh boy. Well, should we wait until the fuel burns off? It's gonna take a while. I like that you can see the legs move. And I can definitely swivel. I know okay, I'm not doing this. I know the rocket will get lighter, but let's revert to VAB. And we don't need almost any fuel in here, right? Like, let's starship it up. We need maximum like this to represent starship. Let's try it again. Time warp. You know what? I should have looked at my TWR. I don't know why I didn't do that. All right, here we go. So throttle up, SAS. Actually, let's throttle down and then slowly go up. Wow, even still, huh? Et tu brute. Oh, he wiggling. Oh! Oh! Ah, no! Okay. So, what did we learn here? What we learned is that revert to VAB. What we learned is that check your TWR. Right, we have 0.68, and that is how you say not going to work. 0.76, 0.84. Boom, 1.08. Because what we need to do is, right when we fire, we need to leave the ground. Anytime that we spend firing, even, you know what? Okay, let's add a couple of things. Let's just see, let's see how controllable it is without adding anything. This is a little bit more off-centered than it would be on Starship. Yeah, you know what? This might be pretty close to how off-center it would be on Starship. You need to yeet off the pad for this kind of thing to work. Oh! Oh, he going. Okay, so we need to go back to the pad. Oh, jeez. And let's go down. Oh! Oh! Shoot. Okay. Put the engine in the center. Okay, thank you. Put the engine in the center and then use the offset tool. I like that. I like this approach. Let's try that. Revert to VAB. Okay, hold on. Did my stream end? What happened here? Why does YouTube think my stream ended? Hold on, I have to troubleshoot this. What happened? Okay. YouTube thinks my stream has ended. Okay, well, I'm good. I'm definitely still live, right? We're here. Okay, I'm gonna pop out this chat. Idea. So let's try it. It did not snap to the center last time. How do I snap it to the mouse 2? How do I snap it to the center? Toggle snap. Here we go. There. And then, how do I offset? Tool move, maybe? Yeah! Alright, just a couple degrees. Oh, wait, you know what? Let's start in the center. And let's get some experience flying with it in the center. Yeah, we're gonna get some experience flying with it in the center. I'm gonna go up, and I'm gonna go down there. And we're gonna yeet off the pad, even though we don't really need to with this. Let's do this. Here we go. Oh! I'm gonna try to keep it nice and low. I meant to hit control there, and I hit Well, no, I don't know what I meant to hit. I think I meant to hit ship. I want to revert to launch. I want to try that again. That one doesn't count. You get a freebie. Although, I have used 2 freebies so far, so... Oh, I don't like that I did that. I don't like that at all. This one is less smooth and makes me feel less good about my flying skills. Okay, now, let's slow down. Slow down. Ooh, it's your boy. It's your boy with the swivelly engine. All right, let's do one more. Let's do one more, just as another practice. I want to see if I can land it 2 times in a row. Okay, we're gonna go nice and fast. Ooh, that was smooth. Shoot. Okay, I bounced. I did not... Oh, nuts. I got a little bit of a PIO here. All right. People are saying land on top of the VAB. My response is that I understand, but let's just get 2 on the ground first. Let's try it again. Here we go. I really like going aggressively sideways at the start. It just looks super cool. Mistake! Alright. That was very short. 29 seconds. Sorry, I might be dropping frames. I think really the way to do this is to remain under control the whole time, and I haven't been doing that very well. Oh. This is so hard. Like, you can't slide at all. So Leo asks, is this supposed to be Star Hopper? This is supposed to be Starship. I think it's going to be really hard for them to... I mean, I don't doubt the GNC team at SpaceX. I just like... Okay. You know what? This is not fair because I'm a very bad pilot. Let's try a couple more times. Is there a chance I can do a week-long internship with BPS? High school requires that we do a week-long internship. Niccolo, I am sorry. We don't have any internship spots open right now. Parker is actually going to intern with us over the summer. I say us, it's just me. And a lot of the work is remote. But I don't have anything in the way of that right now, so I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. Go down a little bit. Back up. And then slow down. Like butter. Sort of. Ooh, don't tip over. Okay, all right. Let's do RCS. People are saying RCS, and I think RCS will make me. It won't make me a better pilot, but it will make me pretend like I'm a better pilot. All right, here we go. First, we need the propellant, right? So in fuel tanks, we'll get one of the big ones. Oh, that's not big enough. Where's the big one? Is that connected? That doesn't look connected. Wow, I built from the tank, which makes things very weird. Okay. Is this going to be in engines or maybe commanding control? Here we go. I'm going to put a ton of these on here. We will have much control. Here we go. So it's still in the center. RCS more like yes, chef. It is. Oh, RCS on. Oof. Oh, I'm in trouble. I'm in a lot of trouble, man. This is not going super well. And I'm all topsy-turvy, and there's no way that this ends well. But I don't really want to stop because I fear what happens when I stop. Okay, hold on. I think I might be back under control now. Oh, please. Oh! Wow. Oh, people are asking if there's a video and audio delay. Yeah, there's probably a little bit of one. It looks like it. Okay, there's a lot of RCS happening right now. Maybe let's not. Wow. Okay, let's add more RCS. That's kind of what I want. Also, how much? Oh wow, we burned through a lot of fuel. How much RCS did we use? Not much. I need more RCS pods. We're gonna have an insanely controllable vehicle. That is now my goal. Tim Dodd does these streams. Okay, hold on. Tim Dodd does streams where you can like learn things, and like that's pretty cool. But I kind of just love messing around in KSP. So like, how about we have all the RCS? All right, how about that? I know SpaceX offered you a job, says Stuart, but Stuart says, I know SpaceX offered you a job, but what position did they offer you? They did not offer me a job. They reached out and they were like, hey, they didn't offer me a specific job. They were just like, hey, do you want to work here? And I was like, yeah. And the whole process was super good, or super friendly. I had a couple of phone interviews, and it never really made it past that. I think I failed the technical interview. That's just a guess. They didn't confirm, or I didn't ask, but that's the vibe I got. They asked a couple of questions that I didn't feel like I did super well on in the last phone call, and the position was for it was something like process optimization. It was like you go around different parts of the company and you like look for things that could be optimized. it's nothing super like high roll. And then the other position that I kind of wanted more was on the Octograbber team. I kind of wanted to work on that. So it's like a lot of robotic stuff, and you still get to work with rockets. I don't know. It seemed cool. But it just never panned out, which is too bad. But also, also good because I got to do BPS instead. And I really love this. It offers me a lot more freedom than I probably would have had with SpaceX. If BPS doesn't work, it would be cool to work there, or at any aerospace company, frankly. All right, here we go. How controllable are we? Let's see. Woo! Okay, maybe not enough. Somehow, I have not explode. But I need more RCS. This is not enough RCS, and I feel disappointed. So I feel like we need linear RCS port. I'm just gonna put just an absolute nonsensical amount of RCS pods on here, and we're gonna go from there. I want every single control. I want every of the control. This will help. Joe Barnard's RCS extravaganza. Why did he put so many on there? Asks CNN. Because I wanted to. Yes, this looks kind of horrifying, frankly. Okay, I think we're ready to launch. So I lied in the motherboard interview. What does that mean? I don't think I lied in that. What did I say? What's the quote from the motherboard interview? I think I said something like, I've had opportunities to do that and it like didn't work out or something, which is true. I had like opportunities to do well in the interview. I must have not prepared well enough, or I just wasn't at the right point and it didn't work out. All right. Here we go. Oh, we added weight, didn't we? So we can't lift off as easily. Use liquid fuel RCS. Okay, so that's our response without it. That's definitely better. Let's go, screw it. Oh no, we do not have enough fuel. We need to stop. We need to go down. We need to go down to the ground. Oh, this is not gonna go well for me. Whoa. I am in big trouble. I'm in big trouble! That's not great. All right. I also don't think, in reference to the motherboard video, I also don't think I specified SpaceX. And to that end, everyone loves to ask about SpaceX, but there have been other companies. Okay. How is your real RCS rocket going? It is not going, is the answer. I realized at the end of the summer that I needed more experience with control systems, and so I started to do Sprite. And I think maybe in like late the summer, we could maybe pick the RCS stuff back up. I'm not super gung-ho on it, though. I think going high and fast is kind of my new thing that I want. So sprint to 1 kilometer, and then I think it would be great to shoot for 5 kilometers, 10, 25, 50, that kind of thing. But one step at a time. We'll see how I do getting to 1 kilometer. That's already a big challenge, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right. I have proven definitively that I am terrible at landing with regular thrust, or on-center thrust. So now, let's see how I do. Oh, wow, why? There we go. Let's see how I do. I use the move tool. And I just do a little something like... Just a little off axis. Only a tiny amount. Let's try that. Hold Alt to force snap to nodes. 1 through 4 selects building tools. C toggles angle snap, which affects radial attachment, offset, and rotation tools. Mad Rocket Scientist, those are extremely helpful things to know. And I am so sorry to say, I know who I am as a person, and it's unlikely I'm going to remember like half of them. It is who I am. Okay, here we go. Thank you, RCS. We're just going to keep it real simple. We have slightly off-axis thrust. We're going to yeet it off the pad, and it's going to be a problem because now our TWR is much lower. Come on, buddy. Get off the pad. Oh, no. No. I think I can do this. I think I can do this. All right. Here's how this works. Full thrust, RCS. If we lift, no, my God, just get up in the air. Oh. Okay, now we're gonna come back down. Oh, please, no! Okay. I can do this. I can... Oh, boy. I don't know about you, but I don't think rockets are supposed to go boom. I don't disagree, Guerrero. Guerrero Jr. Punch it. Get off the ground, you jerk. This is really hard. I don't know why I'm rolling so much. I think the RCS is messing it up. I just want a moment before what I know is about to come. It didn't blow up! Oh. All right. We're going to revert to VAB, and we're going to get rid of all of those nasty, stupid reaction control thrusters. No, not what I wanted. I need to turn symmetry on. Oh, I guess I need them in the trash, don't I? This was, as they say in the business, too much RCS. Too much. It did not help. All right, I will have those on top. That is what I will have. I got a Teensy 3.2. What do you recommend as a moderate IMU? I love the BNO 055, although I have been version of the BNO 055. Those are both good. I use an ST sensor, so it's going to be one on signal, so it's going to be one of those like STM or STM6DS, whatever. The MPU 6050 is okay. It's not good, but it's okay. What else is there? I mean, there's a couple others. Those are like kind of the main ones, I think. All right. What do I have to change here? What else do I add? We need a higher TWR, so maybe less fuel? I don't really want to have less fuel. I can have less monocrop, that's for sure. Oh, I'm not into dropping it that low. Let's try this. More boosters? No, I don't. I want to model Starship. Like, I want to try to fly it with the off-axis thrust. Let's see if we can land it with this, which is not that far off-axis. Why did I move to like the side of the pad? I want to try to launch it with this, and then we'll go from there. Okay, here we go. So now, I'm gonna slowly come back down. Oh, see, this is too much. I went too far. Because our center right. So to not move, I have to be pointed to the left. Not a lot, but definitely a little to the left. Running out of fuel. Oh, wait. I'm not running out of fuel. Shoot. A moment of silence, please. Okay. I had it. 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 Oh man, poor little buddy. He's still trying. Like I can. Okay, hold on. I had it. I so had it. Okay, here we go. So first, let's go over. And we're going to keep all of our movements nice and smooth. See, that was like probably too aggressive. Oh! Ooh! All right. Let's do it again. Would using linear RCS help? Anchovy knowledge, I don't think so. Also, by the way, Anchovy, I think you missed this in the BPS stream, but I wanted to mention, I think I have an unread message from you on Patreon maybe, but I wanted to mention, again, okay, yeah, I wanted to mention again that the project that you requested, which cannot be named right now, is well underway. And let me show you something. I have a couple of things. So the only person who I feel like might be able to extrapolate about what this means, and you're all welcome to speculate. Joe, did you see the static fire? I did. I saw it like a minute late. I have the following things. Oh, why is that so close? Okay, hold on. I have the following items. Check it out. Here's what I have for the new project. These are washers, steel black washers. Doesn't matter that they're black. Doesn't really matter that they're steel, although better than aluminum. I have these 2-inch steel rods. This matters a lot. It matters that they are steel. They're stainless, actually. And then I have 6, but only need 4 tiny little ball bearings. So anchovy knowledge, I don't know if you're still here, but those came in the mail today. And you might know something about that. Yes, okay. This is good. Let's try this again. Hold on, I'm gonna revert. Hold on, revert to launch. Amazing. Okay, great. I need more tea. Does anyone mind if I get more tea? Come on, teapot. Okay, well, let's do this. While my tea is boiling, let's try to fly again. Everyone say there's a spider on the wall when he gets back. Ethan, good try. I saw your comment, though. I saw it. All right, let's try this. T, S, what am I trying to do? X, R. Nice and far over. And then yeet off. Oh! That was too much. That was too much. That was too much. I got cocky. I landed it once, and I am mistake. Here we go. Let's try that again. It's too much. Nice and easy. Nope, this is nope. It's already off to a bad start. I don't want to do it. Here we go. Okay, we're off the ground, and we're going to slowly and responsibly move to the left. That was too much. See, now that was too much. Okay, here we go, here we go. Just a little bit. That was too much, that was too much. Oh, jeez. Shoot. One more, and then I need to go get my tea. One more, and then I need to go get my tea, and then I think we go to orbit just to make sure we can get something satisfying during this stream. My goodness. All right. Also, am I on Wi-Fi? Hold on. Stand by. The stream might go out, but it will come back if it does. Did it go out? Okay, good. All right. Here we go. Okay, that was too much. That was probably too much. I will be the first to admit I'm not proud of my horizontal maneuver. Ooh, boy. Okay. That is the second landing with asymmetric thrust, right? Let's see if we can get a third. If we can get a third in a row. A third in a row. Liquid fuel RCS. It is more powerful. I kind of like the idea that I really have to work for it. Okay, we're gonna go over. We're gonna keep it kind of responsible. We're not gonna do anything crazy. We're gonna watch our altitude the whole time. I'm counting it. I'm counting it, and I don't even care. I'm counting it, and I don't even care because I only want to focus on one axis. And why are you still firing? Okay. I only want to. Thank you, Kerbin. I only want to focus on one axis, and I'm counting it. Charlie had a great insight in the BPS Discord today, which is everything is assumed to be a SISO, a single input, single output, LTI, linear time invariant system, and everything else is just trying to assume that it's a SISO LTI. And if you're not a controls engineer, that sounds like nonsense, but I promise it's mostly just like everything boils down to being very lazy. Not really, but like, I don't know. Joe, will you get a Mavic 3 if it comes out? Might be an upgrade from your Phantom, and the Spotlight feature could be cool for tracking rockets. So, okay, here's the thing. The Phantom I have, I think, can maybe track me if I were to, like, run. I haven't experimented too much with this. Mostly what I do is I set it in the orbit mode, and what I really have wanted to do, I couldn't do it with the last G8 flight, but I wanted to do it was with the G8, the thrust is so, oh my god, and with GPS, this will totally work. With the G8, the thrust is so low. Is Parker still here? If Parker's still here, I'm going to have him do this at the next launch. But the thrust is so low on the G8 that when the... Yeah, you put it in the orbit mode, and then you just try to follow it up as it goes. Because we're definitely not going more than 5 meters a second. It's the G8 makes the rocket move very slowly, depending on its weight. But, okay. Hold on. I need to go get my tea. BRB. Okay, well I poured it a little bit too full, but it's still tea. Ah. Which model of Phantom do you have? I have the Phantom 4. Whichever one is the cheaper one. I got it really cheap from Best Buy. It was like $600, which is expensive, but like not for a drone. Yeah, Best Buy had some like crazy sale on it. Oh, Parker's here. Yeah, Parker, I was saying that I think for the next launch, if we do the G8, because Ava has GPS, we can reliably do this. We can keep a pretty tight circle around the rocket and then track it vertically, if the GPS works. If it doesn't, then all bets are off. Did I get to watch the SN4 static fire? I did. Well, not live. I watched it 1 minute after it happened. All right. Here's what I think we're going to do, folks. This is not a super long KSP stream. I would like to get to orbit and then back. Let's do that. Should we go to the moon, maybe? Let's go to the moon. Let's do an Apollo 8. Let's go to the moon. Oh, audio echo. How bad is the echo? Uh-oh. Split-second echo. Oh, no. This one is real. Okay. Kinda nice. Alright. The echo should be gone. The echo should be gone, but it'll have... okay, is this better? It'll just be a little bit of a different quality here. It should be gone, though. It's better... Like, it'll be an echoey room. Alright, cool. Audio and video sync sound fine. Better. Alright, great. We're gonna go to the moon and back, folks. We're just gonna circle it, though. What is happening? Can I not throw the ship out? Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Goodbye. I built around the tank like a jabroni. Delete the tank. How do I delete the tank? It won't let me delete it. This game definitely sounds like it's being played and recorded. Yep, that's true. How do I delete this tank? Switch the camera? We can't... Oh! Ah! I'm sorry. Oh. Okay. Okay, sorry. How do I delete the tank? It won't let me delete it. Click on the controller instead of the tank. click new ship. Oh, here we go. Don't save. We're gonna send one person around the moon, and they have to come back safely. That's the rule, right? So we need a heat shield. We need parachutes. And a couple of things. Where is the heat shield? Structural? Aero. Thermal. No. 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 Yes. I don't think we need any crazy chutes. I think we could do the chutes on top. I never know why parachutes are in utility. It feels weird to have them there. I feel like they should be in, like, aerodynamics or something. Okay, we have chutes. We've got a heat shield. I think I want maybe some batteries and some solar panels. Can't find anything today. Here we go. Batteries. We get 2 of these, and then 2 solar panels. Right there. These are going to come off on re-entry, almost for sure. I don't need RCS. Propulsive landing? No, not tonight. Maybe next time. Alright, fuel tanks. That's too big. I like to kind of just click and guess with KSP. That'll work. We probably need a separation mechanism, though. Coupling. Too big. Too big. Just right. There we go. Get a nice efficient engine up here. That's too big. What is the one that like the tiny little guy? A Terrier? Yeah. He's like super efficient, right? Where's the ISP? Okay, well, I trust it. Joe, you blocked the crew hatch. That's okay, they're not getting out. We're just going around the moon. We're doing an Apollo. Apollo 8, sorry. Right-click to see ISP. Aha! Okay. $345. Thank you very much, STE man. Yeah, 320, 345, 310, 800. Okay, well, I'm not doing that. So one of these, and then get a little bigger down here. I'm just guessing. We're probably going to have more than we need in terms of power. This is called the game of, this kind of looks like it'll work. Nope. The cheetah. The ISP is all right. We're doing it. Okay, we need another decoupler. I'm gonna do it 3 stages. This is a sinful game of KSP. Let me tell you what. There are no checks. There are no looking at numbers apart from ISP. I just click what I like and I use it. That's too big. I don't want that. Just like the in-between stuff. That's too small. What am I missing here? Are there no fuel tanks this size? That seems odd. Okay, well, we're doing this. I don't even care. I will do whatever I have to in order to get this rocket off of the ground. Oh, scroll up for 2.5 meter tanks? It's too late. I've already done this. I've already committed. This is an excellent rocket, and I love it. Give me some big, thick engines at the bottom, and maybe we need some boosters. This is a great rocket, and I'm very proud of it. Let's not do boosters. Well, maybe let's. Oh, we have positive TWR. This is good. Let's save it as... Oh, wait, hold on. Apollo 8, but worse. I didn't even check my staging. That's how little I care about this. Not really how little I care, just how much I want to get to the launch pad. Maybe I should check my staging. Yeah, parachutes, stage, engine, stage, engine, stage, engine. Awesome. All right, pals. Ready? We choose to go to the moon. In this decade, and do the other things not because they are easy, but because they are on our computer. Oh boy. This is also going to be a wiggly boy, kind of pretty much for sure, which I am somewhat worried about. But let's just do it. Wait, Apollo 8 orbited the moon. They didn't just go around it, they orbited it, right? Wow, I really should know this. Yeah, they orbited. Okay. Thanks, Jake. This boy be wiggling. Tell you what. Okay. Oh, he going. He going for sure. Use auto struts. Austin, it is much too late for auto strut. We have committed to this mission. Auto strut will not be used, and also an appropriate burn profile will not be used. Okay, first let's get into orbit around Kerbin, and then we're gonna figure our stuff out. Nice little maneuver there. Doesn't really matter if it's circular or not. Now I'm going to use my reaction wheels. Let me extend my solar panels here since we're in space. I'm using the tiny, 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 tiny reaction wheels that are inside the crew capsule to move our entire rocket to the right orientation. Just with the reaction wheels. Also, look at how cool this is. Oh, man. Mounting those panels at an angle is kind of a power move. I love that. Okay. We've got a burn in 3 minutes, and it's 22 seconds long. And I have a text to respond to. Okay. You know what? Okay, I missed the burn. Classic. Bro, we have way too much fuel. Oh, screenshot for thumbnail. Okay, you ready? Here we go. This is my screenshot. Okay, all right. Stop the burn. Oh my God. That's my screenshot. All right, now we need to figure out, it is an SSTO. Oh my God, it is. That's crazy. I have not dropped a stage yet. Okay, yes. How do I get to the moon? I'm just gonna do a maneuver note here. I don't care if it's good. Gotta set the target, though. Just gonna guess random things until, oh, we have an encounter. Hell yes, queen. All right, great. That's good enough. Don't even care. Welcome to BPS Space. We have wiggly rockets, the steepest launch profile you've ever seen, and somehow magical SSTOs. And Joey B also does not care exactly what orbit he gets in around the moon. He just wants to sort of get to one, you know? So let's go over to our maneuver node with our entire single stage to orbit that has 3 stages. Single stage to moon. I don't know if this is going to work. I didn't see that many struts. Jake thinks this is how they did it on Apollo 8. And Jake, I have to say, as an expert on the subject, you are correct. This is exactly how they did it. They also used just the reaction wheels inside of the entire Saturn V full stack in order to reorient the vehicle after it had reached LEO. Actually, the best part about this is I'm not even in LEO. I mean, 200 kilometers is still LEO, right? Did you figure out fuel in the upper stage? No, it's just very, very light. There's fuel in this. It's a big, thick first stage and like nothing on top. Well, okay, yeah, so ST Man says Leo is 70 km. Like, yes, but also, wow, if I went to 10,000 meters, I would be 1/7 of the way there. Not to Leo, but to space. All right, this is Leo Plus. You know how you can get Disney Plus? This is exactly like Disney Plus, but it's low Earth orbit. That's exactly what this is. Okay, we have a 30-second burn, during which I will almost certainly drop this first stage. Does it have a paywall? Yeah, it does. The gravity well is the paywall. Sprint to Leo when. Go fast. All right, ready? I don't know why I'm timing this out like it's something super important. There is nothing important about the timing of any of these events at this point. Uh-oh. Okay, here we go. Boom! Okay, there are a couple of questions. First, Anchovy Knowledge says, a few years ago when I played Minecraft, there was this one YouTuber I watched a lot. He streamed this one server called Hypixel. I went to his channel today, and he was streaming memorizing the Constitution. Oh. Oh boy. I am confusion. I am Constitution. All right, the missile, how does the missile know where it is? It knows where it is because it knows where it isn't. By subtracting where it is from where it isn't, or where it isn't from where it is, whichever is greater, it obtains an error, sometimes called deviation. All right. Let's go to the moon, boys. Oh, jeez, I don't like that you have to click this now. So, we're gonna go to the moon. A nice leisurely trip out here. Where is the moon? Oh, there it is. And 3, 2, 1. Bingo! Oh. Oh, no. We're going this way around the moon. This is a very strange orbit, I gotta tell you what. We're gonna burn. Oh, wait, that's the wrong maneuver node. Here we go. Oh, too much. Ah, too much again. All right, periapsis. Let's go to our maneuver node. We can now move much quicker. Oh no. Why can't we move? What's wrong? It says we can't move. I can't move. Why can't I move? Time warp? Oh, time warp. Oh, geez. Sorry, everyone. That's a... Oof. Okay, well now we can move much quicker. That was scary for a little bit. I thought I did something wrong on this very, very well thought out mission. I mean, I cannot stress that enough, how well thought out this was. All right, that's a pretty tight view. Let's just go to the maneuver node. Okay, node in 10 minutes, and it's a 30-second burn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, time to burn. Okay, so this burn gets us into orbit around the moon. We definitely have enough fuel for this. In the meantime, can I take more questions about monorockets? I saw one in the chat, but let's do some more. If you have questions about them, I am here around the moon, ready to answer them. Joe, you have enough Delta V to land? I could fake land. I'm doing a school project about space exploration. Can you give me some inspirational words about space exploration for the project? Okay. I'm a little... Okay. You can land with the extra delta V. Some inspiring words about space exploration. I think the craziest thing... The craziest thing about space right now is how little we have seen of it. And... Okay, you know that thing that people say about the ocean? How crazy it is that we've it's 1% or 10% or something we've mapped or like explored so little of our own oceans. It's the same thing for space, but it's even crazier. I mean, the ocean thing is always like, wow, that is crazy because we live here. But we know just nothing. Like, the stuff that we know about... I'm being very vague here, but, like, the stuff that we know about space is... I feel like, I don't know, a solid 25% of it is probably wrong, or, like... I'm not sure if I have any good inspiring words about this. There's just so much to know, and there's so much we don't right now, which is why it's super important. And also, I'm not going to swear, but frick the argument of, like, why are we spending money in space? There's stuff to solve down here. It's like, yeah, man, we are always going to have problems on Earth. Always. I don't think there's ever going to be a time where people aren't mad about something. And it's not because people want to be mad. It's a little bit because of that. But it's mostly just like, there's always going to be work to do. And it's not a total dichotomy. It's not like a zero-sum game. Like, you can work on both things at once. So why not also work on space stuff? And space stuff benefits Earth stuff. Okay. If I keep doing this, I'm going to just get mad. Are you going to try liquid fuel engines again? I don't know if I can answer that right now, which is in itself an answer. I have an idea for a charity stream thing. What if you were to do a raffle for an old rocket or two? Once you get the TVC stuff down, Sprite might be a good option. Let's see. So, oof. I don't know if I could give away Sprite. I could give away parts. I did a giveaway a while ago, and it didn't quite do the numbers that I was hoping. Not even in terms of like ad revenue or anything. I would be up for it though. If a couple of the people helped with it and brought in more folks, I think it would work. Do you just map the PID values to the servos? Yes and no. The PID output I get is in TVC degrees. So what I do is then I just multiply that by 6 because my gear ratio for the mount is 6:1. So 6 degrees on the servo is 1 degree on the mount. So I just multiply by 6 the PID output, and that becomes what I write to the servos. Arsenio put me in detention for no reason. Did he do it again? He did it again, Joe? Oh no! The game is not paused. We are still in orbit around the moon. Do we try landing? Let's land a little bit as a treat. Okay, not even a maneuver node. Let's just land a little bit as a treat. Let's burn retrograde. What's your favorite tea? I'll tell you what it is, Austin. My favorite tea is gone. I don't know where it went. It makes me sad every day, all the time. It was from Trader Joe's. It was called white ginger tea. It's just herbal, no caffeine, no anything. And it's gone. They discontinued it. And it's so good, and it's like a nostalgic thing. It reminds me of when I was getting started with the BPS stuff. I drank a lot of that tea. And it's just such a bummer that it's gone, and I can't find it. I've tried to find it, and I can't. And that's my favorite tea. Peppermint is also great. Okay, let's start there and go around a little bit. I'm not gonna land because I don't have legs, all right? But I will get... Ooh, I'll get very close to the surface. Okay, what would you rather have happen? Would you rather me get extremely close to the surface to the point where I almost hit things? Or would you rather me, like, touch the engine on the ground and then go? Use the space capsule as a landing leg. Almost hit. So sorry, land it. Flyby near miss. I think flyby near miss is the coolest. I really want to try that. And I'm already on track to pretty much do that. The periapsis is 4,000 meters, which is very close. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep my spacecraft so that at any point I can burn radial, which will get me above things if I start to get close. All right, 7,000. This is pretty cool, TBH. This is cool. 6,000. Oh, I like this a lot. I wonder if we could have gone closer, although there are some mountains coming up, so it's hard to tell. 5,000. We could have gone a little closer. Should I try it? Should I burn retrograde? Is it worth it? Oh my god, we're gonna hit the moon. We're gonna hit that mountain. Okay, here's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna burn radial out right before we hit the mountain. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! There's my shadow. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I gotta be a little bit careful of this. I'm gonna get hit. Ooh. Still in orbit. All right, do we do it? Is it time? I don't know if it's time yet. I'm a little concerned. Quick save, F5. That's a good plan. Oh, I'm doing it. Whoa! Woo! This is really fun. I like this a lot. Yeah, this is pretty... Okay, I like this a lot. I think moon skimming missions could be a new thing for me. Lower. Let's go radial in. Or no, let's go retrograde. No, I don't want to do this. I want to go home. I want to go home. I want to go home. Add maneuver. This is a maneuver that gets me home. And I gotta say, I don't care too much about how it gets me home, but it does. This is a very pretty shot. Spam chicken. Yeah, I'll bite. Okay, we have a little while till our maneuver node. Okay. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. We're still at our maneuver node. And if we were to continue without burning at all, we would hit the moon. Wait. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. We're gonna touch the moon. We're gonna do it. We're gonna touch the moon. I can't go home yet. We're all the way here and we have plenty of fuel. Is a Raspberry Pi overkill for a TBC rocket? I think so. You really only need a tiny little microprocessor. You could probably do it with a Raspberry Pi, but you want something that's more geared toward just direct GPIO, and I think an Arduino is better for that. Skipping the surface is no good. Uh-oh. Break the stage off. You have a spare. Nope. We're going to do it with every bit of fuel that I have. And I think we're going to wait a... Oh, wow. We're already coming in hot, aren't we? I just want to get more in the sun. Like, we're already going down. Oh, you know what? This is maybe not a great idea. All right, we're gonna do it. Here we go. Retrograde, aiming for this area. I'm canceling the maneuver node. We've had a change of schedule. We're heading to the moon, boys. Leroy Jenkins. This is how Apollo went. That's right. That's true. They did this. Thoughts on mechanical chute deployment? Like a servo? I love the idea of a servo, but it usually ends up being not energetic enough. We're gonna try real hard to get beyond this crater and into this nice flat area. And then my goal... Oh, I did not forget legs. My intention was just not to land on the moon, is the thing. How do I toggle... Oh, surface. Here we go. Okay, there's my shadow. So I'm gonna touch the moon. That's the deal, folks. We're gonna just touch it. Shoot, that was a lot. Alt F4 is not Autoland, Justice League, but thank you so much for the suggestion. We're gonna boop the moon and then come back. Look at that cool shadow. Shoot. I didn't stay going down. I forget. Okay, retrograde. Boop! I did it! I booped the moon! We're going this way. I don't know if this is orbit, but it's the new orbit. We're going this way. This is my new orbit. I've decided. Get this man an Artemis bid. F in the chat for my man's Joey B. No, I did it. I booped the moon. I did the thing. Alright. That's enough. Thank you. Well, we did it, folks. We booped the moon. Now, at apogee, I am going to maneuver my way out of this mess. Oh, that doesn't work at all, does it? Maybe I just do it here. Add maneuver. Okay, delete this one. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Resume. Delete. Goodbye. This one I'm also going to delete. We're just going to try this again. Add maneuver from here. This is my go home maneuver. Is this the target? It doesn't matter. Boom! That's an orbit. I don't care. I'm counting it. I don't care. I have so much fuel, it just doesn't even matter. Alright, we're at the maneuver node. Oh, it's time. Is this the man who carbonated milk? Alright. Alright. Here we go. Let's time warp the heck out of this. So now we're in a very eccentric orbit. Ah! I went too fast. Do we go around or do we just try to go from here? Let's just try to go from here. How about that? Retrograde. I'm gonna do it. We've got the fuel. We've got the heat shield. Where's the Earth? There's the Earth. Screw it, man. Boop, Minmus. Kerbin, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Kevin. Kerbin. Woo! That'll get us down. And TBH, it might get us down in the ocean. Let's see. And I still haven't burned my upper stage. This is a 2-stage orbit the moon, then boop the moon, then come back. Do I have, like, gravity turned off or something? Something is wrong, man. This is way too much for 2 stages. Where's the Earth? There it is. I guess you can just spam retrograde. That's the plan. Just spam it. Okay, here we go. Coming in hot. Ooh. Look, even at real time, you can see the Earth getting closer. You can see Kerbin getting closer. I think my entry angle is probably too steep. So what I'll do is when we hit the atmosphere... Okay, wait, what's better? Everyone, what's better? Do I jettison this stage, and then when we hit the atmosphere, I do a retrograde burn with my very upper stage? Or do I use this upper stage to no, screw it. I think we jettison this stage, right? Get rid of it now. We're going to need to burn when we start hitting the atmosphere. We're going way too fast. It's too fast. What if I burn prograde? I could get a more shallow angle. My periapse is like pretty not great. Alt F4. No, I don't want to do Alt F4. Let's burn prograde a little bit as a treat. All right, that's great. This is plenty shallow. Now I'm gonna go normal and jettison my stage there. Flung it off like a Starlink satellite because it was still moving when I did. It was still rolling. All right, retrograde, right? Bye. All right. But what if I want to get to Kerbin like right now? I want to get to Kerbin in the daylight. I'm going to just burn retrograde, and we're going to come in really hot. Screw it, man. I'm coming in ballistic. Okay. That puts me right near a Kerbal Space Program or whatever. Ooh, look, reuse a booster probe. Wait, I put a probe in space! Huh! What is this? Oh. Okay, that's not a probe so much as it is just a... Okay. Alright. Never mind. I'll switch to Apollo 8, but worse. That's not really a probe. But okay. Alright, we're gonna go retrograde. Go to the surface. I'm a little worried about this, folks. Do we think this is... Okay, can I get a yes or no? Yes means it works that, like, I get into the atmosphere safely and down to the ground with the assistance of firing the engine while I do it. Or, no, it will not be enough. You will burn up. Maybe is not a valid answer. Boy, the no's do not give me confidence. It could be enough. Check your TWR. Can I dump fuel? If I dumped fuel, it might be nice. No, that just cuts off. I'm nervous for Valentina. She trusted me to send her on the Apollo 8 but worse mission. Should rename the stream Apollo 8, but worse. That is an incredibly steep angle. All right, F5. It is at this point that I could probably save it with a little bit of, like, sort of prograde. What we need is an entry burn. Like, that's what we're looking for here, is a nice little entry burn. And you know what, man? I think it starts now. We're going so fast. Oh, I don't think I did it soon enough. We're going too fast. Oh, no. Oh, no. The solar panels are gone. They're going to leave us pretty soon. I don't think I did this soon enough. Although our TWR is going to get higher. Are we not? Where's the atmosphere? Should we not be feeling it? Oh, there it is. Oh, that's kind of hot. We are slowing down. Oh! There go the solar panels. Okay. Well, we can't really jettison this, can we? It's a little too late for that. Oh, I guess not. Never mind. Goodbye. Wow. That shouldn't work. Although I guess I have drag from the batteries. Alright, no shoots yet. I think no shoots until 10K. Shoots? Maybe no shoots until 5K. 5K shoots. We're still slowing down a little bit. Okay. I only have one shoot. I think we're going to be all right. I think Valentina's going to make it. You can't really see the land from here. It's just too bad because we were pretty close to it. There goes something. Oh! Is that the stage? Maybe that's the stage. Mission is not complete yet. I have messed things up at this stage. I don't know how, but I feel like I have. I've definitely messed up suit deployment before. Maybe not all the way to this stage. I'm going to just wait it out. Just get real patient with it. I want chemically stabilized carbonated milk. 6:30 a.m. in Romania. Up and early, man. Or, I guess, up very late. Yeah, boy! S in the chat for Valentina, who made it on the Apollo 8 but worse mission. Thank you, Valentina, for your service. Thank you for your bravery. We're going to recover your vessel here. You did a great job. You believed in the mission even when the mission director said, hey, you know how you don't have landing gear? Why don't you go land on the moon anyway? Valentina, you and your crew of no one made this mission possible. Thank you so much, and Godspeed. All right, that's it for Joey B Streams, ksp.com/gov. It's a good day. We got the telemetry boards built. I still think we could probably fly next Friday, but we'll see. Unclear. If you want to support this project, patreon.com/bps.space, but also now bps.space/shop if you want to get a shirt. We will have mugs and stickers and remove before flight tags. All of that cool stuff will come later, but we're just doing shirts now, and it's just for the US now. You're welcome to send it to like a forwarding center or something, but it's just, it gets harder to set up like VAT and international shipping. So that's all from me. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for joining. And I still don't really have a sign off for this channel, do I? No, I just joined. Oh no. Delta says, Joe, are you ending the stream? It seems like everyone just joined. Oh no. Did everyone like just join? I feel bad. Ugh. All right, well, I think I have to go to bed. I'm so sorry. Joey B's got to take care of himself. So I'm going to go. I will see you all soon, I promise. And next time we will do Apollo 11, but worse. Or maybe Apollo 10. I don't know. Maybe we'll do some LEO stuff. All right, that's it. Good night, everyone. Bye.